Okay, let's look at measures 18 through 25 in Guitar Part 2. This is in 5th position, and the style changes, and Guitar 2 has the melody. Let's go through this slowly. 1, 2, 3, and 4, and... Okay, you want to make these notes smooth, connected, and legato as possible. At measure 22, pay attention because these notes, instead of playing with one finger, you want to lay down that index finger for a 3-string bar note. Shift to your index finger, hammer on. Okay, let's do that with the track. Jumping in from measure 18, 2, 1, 2.